Starting investing $500 per month. Everyone in United States speaks for investing, but no one tells you the exact things where you can invest. Today I will tell you the exact things where you should invest. Number one is my favorite, index funds. Here you can build your long-term wealth for your retirement. Number two is dividend stocks. Here you can build your passive income. Number three is side hustle launchpad. Here you can build your side business. Number four is reducing your debt. That's really important for the future. Number five is your brain. Yes, it's your brain. Train your brain. In this video, I will tell you how to invest in these things. And before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to our channel. Fin with Ankur. Here we educate the people of United States for free. And this is episode number 21. Let's get started. Number one is index funds. Here you get 100 of stocks and in one single fund. Yes, you can invest in index funds through your Demat account, and the safety net is that every 15 years the market turns thrice. Yes, every 7.5 years the market is doubled. So logically that's a return of more than 12.5%. That's achievable. Number two is invest in yourself, your brain. Invest between your ears, that's your brain. $500 per month can buy you a lot of books, courses, tax code, or a high income skilled which can return you 10x. Number three is dividend stocks. High paying dividend stocks like McDonald's can give you a very good passive income. Number four, side hustle launchpad. $500 is plenty to buy a domain, run ads, and try your luck at side hustle businesses. Number five is reducing your debt. If you are having a debt on your credit card and paying 20% interest on that, that's not good for investing. First, clear your debt, then start investing. There is a misconception that debt should go on and start investing. That's in the case of mortgage of house where the 6 or 7% is the rate. If you are paying a high rate of interest on your debt, you first clear that. That's it for this video. These were 5 investment steps you should take, and see you tomorrow. Please subscribe my channel. It's a small channel. It's under 100 subscriber channel. Bye bye.